Well, that's the next fight coming up in the bantamweight division. Maridin Numai representing Nagaland in the blue corner, and he takes on the fan favorite at the moment, Mandeep the Bagi Prajapati.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Maridin Numai!
अपने अपोनेंट को तोड़ देते हैं पूरी तरह। तो ये जो आदमी, ये जो शख्स केज की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, ये कमाल के योद्धा हैं। इनका जो लीड हैंड है उसको यूज करेंगे।
And his opponent, Mandeep Prajapati!
Mandeep the Bagi Prajapati.
Having a hard time hearing anything.
The same here. The atmosphere here is so lit and absolutely loud.
नई दिल्ली के मनदीप प्रजापति और पूरे स्टेडियम में तूफान मच गया है। आग लगा दी है यहाँ पे मनदीप प्रजापति ने। ऑडियंस में देखिए, हर तरफ इनके पोस्टर्स हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 61.1 kilograms, representing Nagaland, Maridin Numai! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 61.3 kilograms, representing New Delhi! Make some noise for Mandeep Bagi Prajapati! Ladies and gentlemen, the referee for the fight, Abhishek.
Obey my command all time. Okay. Follow my command at all time. If I say stop, stop. Touch the gloves. Go to your turn.
Madhouse. Words cannot even to describe it.
All right, so the action starts. We've seen Maridin throwing in a couple of shots here. Last time Mandeep fought Karan. Oh man, what an exchange of leather. Mandeep is ducking and throwing in those toxic, vicious kicks. Oh, another one.
बहुत ही इलेक्ट्रिक माहौल है यहाँ पे तालकटोरा स्टेडियम न्यू दिल्ली में।
Mandeep kind of telegraphing his strikes here.
Oh, बढ़िया राइट ओवरहैंड। Maridin गए नीचे।
Dropped him.
मनदीप ने फिनिश भांप ली है। अब किक से थोड़ा सतर्क रहना होगा उनको।
I think the fan base is playing in favor of Mandeep. He literally dropped Maridin. That was a heavy shot.
Heavy shot.
अच्छा डिफेंड किया वहां मारिदिन ने। राइट लैंड होने के बाद सीधा नीचे गए थे और मनदीप के पास मौका था टॉप कंट्रोल में जाके डोमिनेट करने का, लेकिन मारिदिन ने अच्छा डिफेंड किया और उठ खड़े हुए।
Mandeep defending from that position. He's throwing in some kicks. He's got the underhook. That underhook is now out.
Mandeep's going to need to get that underhook back.
I think Maridin is still out. He's not able to execute a takedown from there.
He's still doing a good job of having head pressure and keeping pressure against the cage here. If you notice, his head is being utilized as a third hand.
Maridin here trying to take Mandeep down. Mandeep reverses. Now Mandeep is pushing Maridin against the cage.
बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा रिवर्सल किया यहाँ मनदीप ने और एक बढ़िया पंच भी लगाया।
Another reversal at display.
दोनों ही फाइटर्स एक दूसरे को टफ मुकाबला देते हुए यहाँ क्लिंच पोजीशन में अगेंस्ट द केज।
We can see it right from here. John, Maridin has a Muay Thai clinch, and I think that's the reason he's successful there.
I think, nice takedown by Mandeep here. Looking to exploit this. He's in full mount, and now he's taking his back. We've got dual hooks in, raining down punches.
Well, this could be dangerous for Maridin.
बहुत खतरनाक पोजीशन में आ गए हैं यहाँ मारिदिन। मनदीप के पास बैक है पंचेस भी लगा रहे हैं साथ में। 2 मिनट पूरे पड़े हैं अभी राउंड में।
Mandeep's got the back.
पर थोड़ा सा यहाँ मनदीप को ध्यान रखना होगा, बहुत आगे को ना गिरें, क्योंकि जब आगे गिरते हो तो बैक कंट्रोल लूज हो जाता है।
Martin doing a good job defending here, turning into Mandeep and keeping pressure against the cage.
But I think those hooks that Mandeep has are going to be in his favor, even though there's cage. But Mandeep still has those hooks in.
No, I agree. And look for Mandeep to grab Mandrin's leg here and kind of flatten him out, get him back to the ground.
Well, exactly, that's what he should be doing.
कहीं ना कहीं ग्रिप फाइटिंग भी चल रही है इनकी, अगर आप ध्यान से देखें।
Mandeep doing a good job continually going back to that left wrist, controlling that left wrist.
Mandeep gets the back again.
बहुत अच्छा काम करते हुए मनदीप यहां से पोजीशन को मेंटेन करने का, हालांकि ज्यादा डैमेज नहीं कर पाए हैं। और अब मेरिदिन को मिला मौका, मेरिदिन आ गए हैं ऊपर।
What Maridin needs to do is pass the guard, get the fight a little bit to the center of the cage, and then probably dominate from the top.
Yes, I agree with that, Raul.
It's been an excellent scramble here. We can hear Mandeep fans shouting for the favorite guy here.
Mandrin doing a good job keeping pressure, keeping his head from being able to move so that he can walk up that side of the cage.
हमने इस राउंड की शुरुआत में देखा मनदीप ने काफी देर तक डोमिनेट किया, पोजीशन कंट्रोल करी। अब मिला है मरिदिन को मौका, ज्यादा समय नहीं बचा है राउंड में, बट देखते हैं क्या होता है आखिरी 10 सेकंड में।
We've got less than 10 seconds to go. Mandeep throwing in those strikes. I thought he should close up the guard, but rather he is keeping it open and throwing in those vicious strikes. Well, that's it. That's it. That's the end of the round. What an action-packed round that was, John.
He did a great job of staying controlled.
John, round 2 is about to begin. I think Baghi did a phenomenal job in round 1.
Guys, this has been a phenomenal fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Matrix Fight Night 11. We are live all the way from Delhi, exclusively on Disney Hotstar. Both these guys exchanging leather.
I'm really impressed with Mandeep in his hands. Keeping his hands up, picking and choosing smart shots. Great boxing here.
बढ़िया स्विच किक लगाई वहां मनदीप ने। And I like how Mandeep mixes it up. He throws those kicks slow and then the overhand comes from up top.
100%.
Well, he's attacking the kicks and then attacking the face. Maridin
टेक डाउन लिया मैरिदिन ने यहां पे।
takes down Mandeep.
फिलहाल मनदीप के गार्ड में।
Again, Martin doing a great job of top pressure, keeping Mandeep's head pinned against the cage, preventing him from cage walking up and getting back to his feet.
From this position, it's very easy for Maridin to get onto the side control because the guard is open.
It is, yes. I'm not sure why he's not passing right now. It seems like they feel very comfortable in this position.
I think Mandeep is not playing defensive. He's just full of aggression. He wants to knock out Maridin from any position. and that's what is that display at the moment.
Even from the bottom, we saw towards the end of the last round, he was throwing elbow strikes.
Yes, he was. Right to the top of the head.
यहां मैं देखना चाहूंगा मेरिडिन को थोड़ा और काम करते हुए, या तो वो गार्ड पास करें या स्ट्राइकिंग करें। वो सिर्फ एक पोजीशन लेके बैठे हुए हैं, जो कि ठीक है, जजेस पॉइंट उन्हीं को देंगे, बट इफ ही कुड डू सम मोर वर्क फ्रॉम हियर इट वुड बी गुड।
Mandeep trying to cage walk here. Martin doing a good job of applying top pressure. Now we got a full mount.
Maridin on the mount now. And this could be in favor of Maridin. Oh, look at the way he's locked the hand, the right hand of Mandeep.
100%. It's locking him down, keeping him from posturing up and creating that space that he needs to escape that mount.
काफी डोमिनेटिंग पोजीशन में यहां आ गए हैं मरिदिन न्यूमाई, और इस पोजीशन को अब वो मेंटेन करना चाहेंगे। यहां से लगातार स्ट्राइक्स लगा रहे हैं। 2.5 मिनट अभी भी पड़े हैं इस राउंड में, ज्यादा से ज्यादा समय वो बिताना चाहेंगे इस पोजीशन में।
Both fighters a little bit more calm this round.
Well, this could be the calmness before the storm.
मनदीप
Maridin,
देखिए अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं लेग ट्रैप करने का, एक लेग उन्होंने वहां ट्रैप कर रखी है, बट क्या वो काफी होगा? नहीं, एल्बोज लगाते हुए मारिदिन।
Those short elbows are nasty, guys.
I call them devastating, John.
हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं घातक, राहुल एंड जॉन, घातक एल्बोज।
Maridin controlling the position, and this is the worst that can happen to Mandeep from here. If Mandeep turns, he's going to give his back to Maridin, and Maridin might submit him.
और मजबूरन मनदीप को मुझे लगता है टर्न करना पड़ा जॉन, बिकॉज ही कुड नॉट टेक एनी मोर ऑफ दोज एल्बोज। मजबूरन उन्होंने टर्न किया, अपनी बैक दे दी यहाँ पे मारिदिन को।
One saving grace here that Mandeep has is that, oh, nice scramble here.
Yeah,
How
that was
about
amazing.
that? An amazing scramble. Back to their feet. Mandeep applying pressure against the cage.
I mean, this fight is absolutely amazing, John.
It's
look at
wild.
It's wildfire, actually.
It's almost as wild as this
क्या
crowd.
पलटी है फाइट, क्या पलटी है फाइट। ऐसा लग रहा था कि पूरी तरीके से डोमिनेट हो रहे हैं मनदीप, और तभी उन्होंने एकदम से अपने आप को सिचुएशन से निकाला, और 1 मिनट के लिए वहां मारिदिन की बैक भी लेने को लगे थे।
You know, you can look at Mandeep's facial expressions and see how calm he is in that cage. It's quite impressive.
Less than 60 seconds to the second round of this fight.
जॉन बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने, मनदीप बहुत रिलैक्स्ड हैं और काम है। ये उनकी सेकंड फाइट है एमएफएन में, और शायद अब उन्हें आदत पड़ गई है इस स्टेज की, इन लाइटों की, इस बड़े लेवल पे फाइट करने की।
And especially for this fight, Mandeep has cut a lot of weight. His previous fight was in the featherweight division. This is a bantamweight fight.
You know what's crazy is earlier I saw Mandeep swimming in the swimming pool. Earlier today.
What's crazy about that, John?
Guys, he has a fight today and he's swimming in the swimming pool in the New Delhi sun.
Maybe that's his secret. he likes to swim before he fights. Both the fighters exchanging some solid knees there as the second round comes to an end. I think Mandeep has the first round, Maridin has the second round, और उसके बाद दोनों फाइटर्स ने इस राउंड को खत्म किया। लास्ट में एक टेक डाउन भी मिला था मेरिडिन को।
And let's begin the final round of
क्या
this
बात है,
fight.
अच्छी स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट दिखाई दोनों ही फाइटर्स ने, और ये तीसरा और आखिरी निर्णायक राउंड यहाँ शुरू होता है। मेरिडिन तुरंत ही टेक डाउन के लिए गए और उनको मिल गया टेक डाउन।
Mandeep doing a good job of cage walking back to his feet. Maridin doing a good job of keeping pressure on him.
बिल्कुल,
Mandeep
मनदीप
has,
दोबारा नीचे नहीं जाना चाहेंगे, ध्यान रखना होगा उनको, टेक डाउन्स को डिफेंड करना होगा।
I like this technique of Mandeep. You know, he's been reversing all the positions.
he has, it's almost like he vacates just a little bit to let his opponent turn and then capitalizes as soon as they turn.
Guys, this fight is constantly going back and forth. It's so exciting. 1 minute you see Maridin has Mandeep's back. The next minute you see Mandeep has Maridin's back. What an exciting fight.
Well, Manan, kudos to Alan Fernandez for matching up all these fighters together. I think matchmaking is a tough job, and we can see that all the fights that are here are absolutely level matched.
Yes, great job, Coach Allen.
Mandeep pushing Maridin.
Mandeep said, let's get back to the center of the cage and start slinging leather.
एक और टेक डाउन की कोशिश यहाँ मरिदिन की तरफ से। कहीं ना कहीं मरिदिन ने ये मन बना लिया है कि वो फाइट ग्राउंड पे ले जाके लड़ना चाहते हैं, तो बार बार कोशिश कर रहे हैं मनदीप को टेक डाउन करने की, बट फिलहाल मनदीप अच्छा काम करते हुए टेक डाउन को डिफेंड करने का। केज पकड़ रखी थी यहाँ मरिदिन ने बीच में कुछ समय के लिए, अभी भी पकड़ रखी है, रेफरी ने उनको हटाया।
Mandeep doing a good job with that over whizzer, preventing Maridin from taking him down.
And those elbows, sorry, and those knees as well.
I think that elbow, that knee landed on the groin. Mandeep is looking at the referee. That definitely landed on the groin.
Maridin foot stomping. What seems that was a sad nut shot here.
और बहुत बढ़िया काम करते हुए मनदीप टेक डाउन डिफेंड करने का.
Both these guys trading shots. Maridin smiling, asking Mandeep to charge in. He says, "Come in, bro. Let's put up a war here."
Absolutely, Rahul. I think Mandeep is slightly more comfortable in his striking.
I feel like that groin shot took a little bit out of him. Nice elbows.
Those toxic, vicious elbows by Mandeep. Back again. And I like it. He's throwing it in combinations. 1, 2, 3. Takes a break and throws in 3 vicious elbows again.
Yeah, and you know, guys, every time you risk striking like that, every time you strike like that, you risk getting taken down because you're using one hand to strike instead of defending the takedown.
So true, Manan.
So I'm really enjoying what Mandeep is doing here.
Yes,
Not-
but notice when he does that, he's always secured the over-whizzer on the opposite arm.
Both these guys exchanging heavy leather here. Mandeep looks a little bit tired.
Guys, I think that groin shot took a little bit out of him.
Maridin goes in for a takedown. He's got Mandeep against the cage. Mandeep throwing in those vicious, toxic elbows.
I like how you use the word toxic elbows, Rahul.
How about vicious?
No, I prefer toxic elbows.
I'm mixing both of them.
That right hand lands for Mandeep. Maridin could be in trouble because of that. That was a powerful shot that landed straight on the jaw. And Maridin is just going back to one thing. He tries to take Mandeep down, pushes him against the cage. Wow! There's a knee strike from Mandeep on Maridin's face.
Yes, over-whizzer, push him to the right and connect with that beautiful right knee right to the face.
I think Mandeep has put up a slugfest here for Maridin. Maridin was initially thinking that it's going to be an easy fight and he's going to win it. But he is here in deep waters.
He is in deep waters. Mandeep doing a great job. Maridin as well.
100%. Both these fighters have done a good job. They're exchanging some knees now here in the clinch position. We've got last 25 seconds. Let's see which one of these fighters gives us a nice show in these last seconds of this fight.
Who wants it more?
Less than 20 seconds to go. Maridin still persistent for a takedown. Takes Mandeep to the cage, now controlling him against the cage. It's been an excellent battle between both these guys. Less than 10 seconds.
10 seconds to go.
On their feet. Oh, that's it. That's it. Round 3.
What a fight, guys.
Excellent. And the crowd is all gung-ho about Mandeep once again. That's Maridin and that's Mandeep. Both these warriors put up an excellent fight here. Much respect to both of them. And that's Mandeep Prajapati, fans in attendance.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action here, we go to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges scored about 28-29 for your winner by unanimous decision, Maridin Newman!